Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
And a sitting mochi. Now, today we have a resistance band workout that's going to build muscle, and with an increase in muscle mass, you're going to be burning blood sugar and glucose more efficiently.
Good to
All
do.
right? Yeah, so this is what it looks like. 8 moves in 40-second rounds with 20 seconds of rest in between.
Okay.
All right. Now, my mom's going to be doing this one seated if someone gets out of the way. I'll be doing it standing to give you some options. And if you need some suggestions for resistance bands, check out the description below. All right. So, Mom, any thoughts?
Now let's get going. We got to start pulling.
All right. Take a quick pause here and get started. All right, Mom, you want to take a seat?
Sure,
Do a
thank
little
you
warm
very
it up.
much.
Okay, Mochi's going to warm up with us. All right. All right, let's just warm it up. Okay, warm it up. Looks like he wants to warm up with you. Okay. All right, very nice, everybody. Yes. All right. Let's do a nice little step out as Mochi warms up with my mom here. Step it out and step it out. Good
I
work.
need a bigger chair.
I think so. One of those big recliners, huh? Okay. We're doing some side step and move today. Okay, very good. Give me some nice little heel touches forward. Nice work. And breathe, everyone. Don't forget to breathe. Okay? Very nice. Okay, good job. Give me that side reach to the side. Right and left. Good. Right and left. Keep it going. Right. And left. Good. And stop. And give me the shoulder rolls to the back. Good job. Okay, and reverse it. Nice work. Give me your reach up to the sky. Yes. Yep. Wave it up. Wave it up. And one more. And one more. Okay, nice little warm up. We're going to take a quick pause here and get started with our band workout. Okay, so our first move will be some step out. So I want you to have the bands underneath your feet, okay? Underneath your shoes, hip distance apart, okay? All right, and I want you to have the bands at your hips, and we're just going to be stepping it out to the side twice, to the right and to the right, and bring it in. Now we're going to go to left, left, and left. Ooh, you should feel this, okay?
Yeah.
Feel this in your legs and your hips. It's really awesome to strengthen your lower body. You feel it?
Easy. Yeah.
Yeah, you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, step it out. Yeah, keep it going. Got another 15 seconds or so. And breathe, everybody. Whew. Okay, you're right. I'm going to do it to the side here so you can see me. Okay. And breathe. And breathe. And rest. Okay. Whew. Breathe, everyone.
Yeah.
My legs felt that.
Yeah. That's not easy.
Yeah. These resistance bands are awesome because you can just modulate the tension. Okay, so our next move is you keep the bands where they are. I want you to choke down on these bands a bit, okay? So I want you to feel some tension while you're sitting here. And so whether you're sitting or standing, I want you to hinge at the hips with the back straight. Pull those shoulder blades together, up and down, okay? And you go at your own pace here,
That's
okay?
right.
You don't have to go fast. Back slow is awesome, okay? And if you need to rest, like it starts to get really tough, just take a rest, okay?
That's right.
Because, you know,
Listen to your body.
Listen to your body and build strength over time, okay? So keep it going. Keep it going. Pull it in. Shoulder blades together, okay? Looking good. How you feeling, Mom?
Okay.
Okay, you're
So
looking
far.
good. Okay, you're doing great. Well, this is the last time you see. We're not duplicating anything with this.
I
this
think
workout.
that's a great idea.
Okay, rest,
I'm all for
everybody. Okay, we're going to a single leg move this time. Okay, so if you're seated or standing, we're basically putting the band under one shoe, one foot,
Okay.
hands at the hips, and you're just going to bend your knee and you're going to straighten it. Okay, so the move is just like this. So you can start. Your starting point can be heel on the floor.
Right.
Bend your knee and then straighten it. Okay, bend and straighten. Good. Bend and straighten. Okay, sit or stand tall.
Yeah.
Okay, you're with me.
You got to have form, right?
That's right.
Your form is
You're
important.
feeling balance. This is a balance move too if you're with me here. Even if you're seated in a chair.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're bending our knee and then we're just straightening, putting the heel down. Okay, good. We're strengthening our legs at the same time. Okay,
It's good.
breathe, keep it going.
Got to have strong legs. You don't want to fall, no?
That's right. You got to prevent falls.
Yeah.
And we're actually working on balance here too. Okay, nice work. Okay, breathe. You know, by holding these bands, you're actually working your upper body too.
That's right.
Okay. Okay, switch feet. And do the other side. Okay, so breathe. Take a rest here.
Yeah.
Whoo! Very nice. Okay, same thing on this side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I got the heel down. That's my starting point at the straight leg, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're on 3, 2, 1, and go. So we're going to bend and straighten.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here for 40 seconds. So nice work, everybody. Keep it going. All right. Yeah. And by holding these bands, like I said, you got to stabilize your whole body. Get your upper body and lower body involved here. Okay, very good. Breathe.
Who thought of these bands anyway?
I have no idea. That is a very good question, but you know what? Someone says, this rubber band's interesting. Let's make them longer.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, who thinks of these things?
This is a good workout. Okay,
All right.
And rest. Nice work, everyone. All right, take a breather. If you need some water, take a sip of water, okay? Important. Okay, so next move, we're gonna put our band underneath one foot. Okay, here's the move. We're basically just going to have slight bend in the elbows and then lift up, but it's not a bicep curl. It's the whole arm goes up, so it's like a little shoulder move here. And you don't have to go high. We're on right now. Yeah, just hold, just like my mom's doing it. That's right there. Just lift it up till you feel a tension and down.
Yeah.
Okay, woo. Are you feeling that?
Yeah.
Now you could get, yeah.
It looks easy, but it's not.
Yeah. Now, notice you're standing, I have a staggered step here, okay? Just for stability, okay? Keep it going. Yeah, and if you need, again, you need to rest. Keep it going, looking good. Another 10 seconds.
You're using your shoulder here? Yeah.
Yeah, it really is a shoulder move, but you're engaging your arms as well though. But it's not a bicep curl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, rest. Okay, nice work. All right, very good. Now, next move is we're gonna bring this band around the back, okay? Look at this move here, right? We're bringing it around the back, underneath the arms.
Right.
Right, underneath the arms. So it's at like the middle of your upper back, okay? And I want the bands down here like this, right? What are we gonna do with this? We're basically gonna press it out. And in, we're on. Press it out. And
Palms down.
Palms down, everyone. Okay, palms down. This is a chest press. Ooh.
Yeah, I could feel it.
Oh yeah. And see now you can choke down more on the bands to make it even more resistance.
Yeah.
Or loosen it up.
Yeah.
Okay. But ooh, yeah. We're really working these chest muscles and the arms.
Yeah,
Okay?
the arms, yeah.
Now notice I'm sitting or standing tall, right, everybody? Good posture, right? Keep it tight. All this movement, just pressing it out. And rest. Nice work. Excellent work.
Good job.
Okay, very good. Okay, we're gonna bring that band around.
Okay.
This time, now this one, I know you got some issues with this arm.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the move. So we have the band on one side, the hip here, okay? And we're gonna bend our elbow so our palms are facing forward. And all we're gonna do is straighten the arm. And we're gonna bend it. And straighten. And bend the elbow. Straighten, yeah. Now, yeah, you listen to your body, okay?
Yeah.
If it's too hard.
I have a lot of slack.
Yeah, because I know your left side's a little weaker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Left side.
So this is where you listen to your body and you adjust the length of the band depending on what works for you, okay? And over time, as you get stronger, you can even choke down more on it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay? But that's
Yeah,
the
right
beauty.
now my left arm is.
Right, so for you may not even want any tension on the band, okay?
Now that's a good idea. Why didn't you say that earlier?
Okay, excellent work. Really nice job. Okay, so you can just keep the band the same way, and we're just gonna put that band on the other hip here, right? That's all it is. So just rest here. We're here for another 10 seconds of rest. Okay, so although I notice you have a little bit more, a shorter distance. This side's
right.
stronger, right?
My right is okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. And you can choose to put it up here if you want. You can choose to put it shoulder level
Then,
or even lower.
You get more resistance.
That just works a different part of the muscle.
Yeah.
Okay. But you know, some people have shoulder issues, so they can't get it.
That's
Get your arm high, and that's fine. You know, just keep it here.
That's right.
Just keep it here. All I want you to do is just get that press out motion, right? Here. Good. Keep it going.
Yeah.
Right? And bend and straighten. Okay? Bend and straighten. Keep it going. You're looking good. Another 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Nice work. All right, everybody. We're going through this quick.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Next move. Band underneath the foot. Okay?
1 foot?
1 foot. 1 foot. This is a challenging one. This is all shoulder move, okay? Let me show it to you. So basically we're just going to have our arms outside, side, and then front. You may not be able to get it very high, and that's okay. Okay, we're on. So side, and then to the front. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't have to go high. Side and front. I just want you to go to the point where you feel the resistance.
Yeah.
Do you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel
You
it.
don't need to go high. Breathe, okay? Whew. You can have a slight bend in those elbows, okay? Slight bend, you're really working that shoulder.
Yeah.
Gently though, breathe. But you feel your arms are really engaged as well.
Yeah.
So nice work. Excellent. Keep it going, looking good. Keep it going, just a few more seconds. I'm starting to feel this. If you need to stop at any time to rest, do that.
Yeah.
Okay, and rest. Ooh,
Ooh,
that was enough. Was that enough?
you can feel it.
Okay,
For sure.
we're in our last exercise already. I'm
Okay.
just gonna change it up, put it on the other foot for now.
Okay.
Okay. This is easy peasy bicep curl.
Oh,
right?
my favorite.
Right, under 1 foot, okay? Sit up tall, and we're just bringing it up to our shoulders and down, okay? We are on now, go. Shoulders and down. My mom's gonna keep it like that going forward. If you want some variation on this, bring it out to the side and down, and then forward and down. How are you doing there? Yeah, just keep
Okay,
it.
I just want to get some more tension.
Okay, yeah, you can choke down on it. Good. Yeah, just bend the elbows. All right, and bend the elbows. Okay, good job. Keep it going. Breathe. I like these bands.
Yeah.
Oh yes. And
Get
again,
used to them. They're kind of awkward at first, but you get used to them.
yes.
They should make shorter bands for shorter arms. That's what the problem is.
I think those are just right for you. Okay, rest everyone. That's it. Nice work on this resistance band workout. Now, you can do this workout, do it again. You can do it just 1 to 3 sets of this, okay? And you can do this at least twice a week, but make sure that you have like a day of rest in between.
Yeah.
All right? So excellent work. Let's put those bands down. Let's just shake it out a little bit. Whew, worked it out, right?
Yeah.
Give some nice little circles with the arms. Doesn't have to go high. Good. Yep. Yep. And very nice. Can you give me a nice little reach? Good. And a reach. Excellent work. Give me 3 inhale, exhales up. Inhale up. And down. And inhale up. Down. One more with that clap at the top. Oh, yes. Clap. And inside out hands. Reach. And center. And reach. And center. Great job. If you need more cool down, check out our cool down videos to just get everything relaxed. But nice work on building muscle. Really, really proud of you. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want another strength workout, check out this one. All right? And so we'll see you soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.